Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to mail merge from your Gmail account up to 100 email address. It's a very easy technique, so don't forget to watch full video. Open your Google Chrome browser, go to the Gmail. Now click on Compose, give a subject. I am giving the subject name is invitation. For AGM, invitation for AGM. You can type to, and then enter. Give double left arrow. Now type name, then double right arrow. This name will automatically come from your another document, and hit enter. Again double left arrow and position. Then double right arrow, again double left arrow, organization. Again double right arrow. These three fields will come from another file, a list file, another list file, and it will go with your each email. Hit enter. Now type hello. Again you want to give the name of the recipient, so again double left arrow, name, double right arrow. Now you have to give the content of your email. I am giving a sentence just for example. You are invited to attend the meeting, attend the AGM on 20th December 2021 at 10 AM. That's all. Just give regards. I am giving my channel name as a sender, IT System Admin. Okay, look, the draft saved. Your invitation letter has been saved as a draft. Click on draft. The invitation letter has been saved in draft. Okay, now you can close this compose window. Now open another tab of Google. Here in search box type Google docs. Hit enter. This is Google Docs, docs.google.com. Okay, click on here. Now Google Docs file has been opened. Now click on main menu, click on sheet. This is the sheet, just same as Microsoft Excel document. Now click on blank icon. So spreadsheet has been opened. Now go to add-ons tab, click on it, click on get add-ons. In this window, in the search box, you just type yet another mail merge. Click on it. Look, this is yet another mail merge and it's completely free. Click on here, click on install, click on continue. You have to sign in with the email address which you use to send your emails. Click on it, click on allow, click on done. Yes, it is loading. Now click on add emails myself. You can import your Google contacts by clicking here. I just will click add emails myself. Close this window. Look here, some columns and rows are already been created here. Here is the email address and this is the full name, and I can change the name, just only name, because in email I have mentioned only name. Okay, this is the email addresses, this is the mail. Now I am giving some email addresses here. The name, I am giving another email address. I'm giving the name. Okay, for example, I just given 3 names here. Now click on the drop down menu on column A and insert one left. In row 1 of column A, just type position I am giving some positions. Again, click on the drop down menu and click insert one right. Look here. Here you just type the name of your organization. Now in heading, I just type organization. And now you just type the name of your organization. I am giving IT. Okay, everything done right now. This is the position field, this is organization field, this is email account field, and this is the name field. Okay, right now click on add-ons, click on yet another mail merge, and then click start mail merge. It will take some time to load. Look, this is the personal plan for 400 emails per day, and the last line is you can still email 50 recipients for these add-ons. Okay, you can use another email address for another add-ons. That's why I told you earlier that you can send a mail up to 100 people. Okay, right click on continue. Here you just give you can give sender name, and in email template field click on the drop down menu. Look, this is the invitation for AGM. Select it. This is tracking field. You can track your emails opened, clicked, or bounced. If the receiver click on your email or the receiver opened your email, you can track it. Okay, now as I have given 4 email addresses, so here send 4 emails. Okay, now click on send 4 emails. Look, the email has been sent. Look, all emails has been sent. Okay, now close it. Look, one email already been opened. Close it. Look, Mahmudul at peopleandtech.com.bd. This email has been opened and another 3 email already been sent. Okay, now I am going to see my email. Click on send item. Google has sent you a congrats message for the email campaign. Click on inbox. Look, this is me, because I have sent this email to me. Invitation for AGM. Look, here the name of recipient, it's the designation, and it's the name of the organization, and this is hello and recipient name, and after regards, my name has been updated automatically. All of these information updated automatically. Now I am going to show you another email address. mahmudul@.piit. Look, this is the email. Click on it. Look, here to Mahmudul Huq, Director, IT System Admin, and hello Mahmudul Huq. All these informations are updated automatically. Okay, close this browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.